As South Africa's warmest city recovers from the recent torrential rains, some enthusiastic residents who care about their environment chip in to help with the clean-up of the beach. The plastic debris has reached record levels and prevents us from reaching the ocean. The flooding has devastated the kingdom of the Zulu, but does it make sense to call this event a natural disaster?
The reason we're here is obviously to help out with the litter that's accumulated over the past week because of the heavy floods that happened in KZN. Just an initiative we thought about yesterday after we saw a couple of other students who did it on their own.
What rubbish are you finding mostly?
It's a lot of plastic. We're finding a lot of bottles, a lot of cold drink bottles, shirts, anything. It's buckets, it's a whole lot of tires we found. So we're just trying to kind of do our part to, clean up our city.
Most of the rubbish is from Mgeni River and some from the sea, but mostly up north there by Mgeni River. Okay, I've only been in Durban 10 years or so, but this is the very worst I've seen it. And we've had the floods before, but no, this is the worst.
Have you seen the municipal service people here at all?
Honestly, not yet. We haven't seen anyone in the morning. We've just been here for a couple of hours so far.
As far as I know, they did come out in the morning and assess it. I'm not too sure when they're going to actually take any action.
Umuke ngemfula imfula ngithi iphakela ulwandle kuqhamuka umuntu wesifazane la ekhishwa ulwandle omdabu wabamnyama bazomusa emakhazeni Phoenix bese ke bemthatha izithuba ziningi zona idumbe isazoqhamuka lana ziningi ngoba abanye baqhubekile lawo mase cleanwa nje kahle la kule mfucuze la sithi ziqhamuke
Then keep right onto Ramsey Road.
Sometimes you're driving like on the road, you can see that the drain is like popping water out because it can't take it anymore. Then why they don't clean those drains? Look now, our people, they died. Then whose fault is that? It's our government.
Is it the government's fault?
It's a government fault, yes, it is.
Why?
It is. Someone in a government platform is not doing the job properly. It's simple.
I think my minicab driver has a point. The question then is, what's blocking the drains? I believe it's plastic. It doesn't decompose, it isn't biodegradable, and it's strangling our waters. We need an urgent discussion on how to reduce our lazy dependence on plastic and save our rivers and our beaches.